wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
Alright, weekend number 3. Where are we going, guys?
Fishing. It's Memorial Weekend.
Memorial Day weekend. We're gonna do some quick fishing before heading out, getting haircuts. Gotta go to Sam's Club.
Some errands.
Do some errands. We're gonna go to the beach, but we gotta get ready for next week's party, pool party.
Yeah.
So, got a few things to do.
Come along with us.
Right. Just stopped by Handy Mart here in Clayton. Got some worms, some red worms. Little drink. These are
We got
delicious snacks.
Snacks.
Here, good cookies.
Yeah.
So now let's head out. I thought the store was gonna have a lot more stuff. It was just a small corner of it, so I don't know. Something quick at least.
What?
No.
What lake are we gonna miss? Okay, we're here at Lake Raleigh. Y'all gonna catch a lot of fish?
Yeah.
Maybe. How many would you say, Lamian?
5.
You?
10.
10. All right, we'll see. And there's the lake. There's a few people fishing there now. It's really hot out today.
Nice.
Well, it's 84 right now, but it'll get hotter later.
I think I'm gonna catch it.
Am I getting good?
Good put.
Did you already put yours on, Sam?
What?
Did you already put yours on?
Put your warm on, Sam.
It's really hot out right now.
I brought sunscreen.
I should have brought a hat. You want us to cut it in half like last time?
Let me see. Ew.
See who catches one first.
Oh God, someone's moving a lot.
It's better.
Poor worms. Do you have a pocket?
Let's see. Well, we haven't been here long, but I don't know. No bites. Nothing at all. Haven't seen them.
There's a turtle over there.
I don't see it. And it's hot, so.
Can I throw it out?
Yeah.
Can I close it? Can I do this?
It's already closed.
Oh.
So hold it
Like this?
with the other hand. Now open it.
That,
Yeah,
and then throw it.
yeah.
And then push it down halfway.
All the way. There you go. Nice.
I'm not sure. Oh, almost. It's just there.
Took it.
Sam got one.
Baby.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Sebby, watch where you're walking.
All right. Number one.
I told you.
How does it feel?
Good.
All right, man. You got next.
Let me touch
Let
it.
me see.
Where can I touch it?
Wherever.
Oh.
Sign me. You got scared.
All right. Ready? Hi, Suba.
Bye.
Bye.
Throwing it back.
Go.
Oh.
There you go. And I'm gonna touch it again.
All right. Going uphill. How do we do?
Good. Top one fish.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Just one.
We saw a huge one.
Some big ones there. We couldn't catch any. They were hiding in the shade, I think. It's kind of hot, so
We're heading back because it's really hot.
it is hot. Maybe next time we need to come earlier. We usually catch a few each, but it's too hot. So now we're going to get haircuts, me and Damian. Then afterwards, get stuff at Sam's. See you in a few. We're at our local Hispanic shopping center. Everything here is some sort of Hispanic owned spot. And here's where we get our
Okay, we already left. Haircut place.
fresh.
Nice. Let me see them in.
Fresh.
Fresh haircuts. And now we're at our favorite place. What? Or my favorite place. At Sam's Club. What are we gonna do here?
Party. Shopping.
Party shopping, but we're gonna eat first. We're gonna eat at the cafe.
Who gets a salad at Sam's?
Trying to be healthy. Pepperoni pizza. There's some hot dogs. 2 hot dogs. A salad. Tastes good?
Good. Yeah.
The mixed one?
Ooh, that green one. What do you think, the man? That one.
84. Cookies.
I thought it was $84.
huge load. Ready. All right.
We can order something like that.
Ooh, yeah. Checking out the cupcakes for the party.
These don't look cool.
All right. What's the baby want, Evan?
What?
What's the baby want?
What do you mean?
Chocolate. All chocolate is what the baby wants. Oh look, they have these nuts. We're heading back home. Finally. It's been a long day, kind of. So let's rate the food at Sam's Club. What'd you get? Pizza.
Let me add pizza.
Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Pizza, hot dog. Babe got pizza. All right, Damian, you start. How'd you like your pizza?
It was like 9.5. I didn't know if I was gonna finish it all. So
It was a huge slice. It was bigger than his face.
Huge.
Yeah.
Can't beat it for $2, whatever it is.
870 calories.
All right, you, Sam. Your hot dogs.
Say a 9 out of 10.
9.
2 hot dogs.
They didn't have mustard or mayonnaise. So,
But they had ketchup.
is that why it was a 9?
Good. $1.38 a piece.
He's just worried about the price. All right, you.
I give it a 9 out of 10. It was good.
The pizza.
Pizza was good. Hot dog had flavor.
Pizza's always good there.
Yeah.
I got a salad and it wasn't all that great. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. But I had the pizza, a little bit of his pizza. And I give it a 10 out of 10.
So
good.
much.
Now we're headed back. And I guess relax for the rest of the day.
Yeah. Nobody did. I don't know what. What is this?
Alright. So they wanted cookies, so
You wanted cookies.
Actually,
Yeah.
we wanted cookies.
everyone wanted cookies.
We had to make it.
Which one is that one?
Let me get the most sugar.
Brown recipe book.
Don't get our secret cookie recipe. They're looking good.
Yeah.
Probably should put a little more chocolate chips on top. Just putting on more chocolate chips.
Smiley face.
From the little case.
He's eating the dough.
No, I'm not.
I'm gonna take credit.
All the way to
And we got this smaller batch right here. Ready?
They're just small cookies.
Alright. We don't know what happened. They didn't flatten out like they usually do.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it was probably rolled up too much.
Is
It
it
was just
hot?
supposed to be like.
Yeah, just leave it. Let me wait. Oh well, as long as they taste good.
Better taste good.
Smells good.
Let's see.
All right, here's the little ball.
It didn't really work, but
They're tiny.
like this. It worked out a little bit.
Really?
Try it. Okay, rate the cookies.
I think it's like a 10 out of 10. It might have not been perfect, but still good.
You.
8 out of 10.
What do you give it?
10 out of 10. Because I made them.
We made them.
I'll give it a 9 out of 10.
Something was missing, but I don't know.
Yeah, something was missing, but
Tastes the same.
still good.
Tastes the same.
Stopping by our favorite place, Dunkin'.
One day we're heading to the beach, stopping by Dunkin' real quick.
To the beach.
Just the two of us.
Going through the drive-thru. Wake up wrap.
Anything else?
And then let me do a wake up wrap.
Okay.
Sausage.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Okay.
Can we see? Ooh. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Got our Dunkin'. Let me see yours. You got your iced coffee. Got some wake up wraps. And what'd you get?
Watermelon donut. Try it out.
Watermelon donut. Everyone's been going crazy about these. Some people say they're not good. Other people say they're good.
Try it out.
Gross. It's 8:44 in the morning. Look at my cup. Oh my gosh. I've been begging for this since forever, right? So pretty. All right, we're gonna try the watermelon. What is it? Watermelon donut. This is what it looks like. You're gonna get the first bite. So it's a jelly donut. How does it taste?
Try it. I like it. It's really good. I like it.
Yeah, it's
Good.
good. Really good. So that's the watermelon donut. New watermelon donut at Dunkin'.
All right, we made it here. We're at Harris Teeter. I'm gonna get some food, subs. Got my money. What else are we getting? Chips.
Chips. Fruit.
Whatever miscellaneous items. Let's go check it out.
Oh, they have a Starbucks. Alright, first we go get chips, I guess.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, this is cool. There's a watermelon one. Watermelon.
Ooh, ranch. Never seen those. Those are good.
We're going to Georgia, I think. Right?
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, for that trip. That's right.
Airheads. You want trolleys?
Yeah, get that small bag.
This one?
Yeah.
Very
That
big.
one.
Okay. Now, that one
Carolina. Yeah.
I just did the same exact thing now.
sandwiches. We're here at the beach, trying to find some parking spot. Didn't we come here one time?
Oh,
This ice cream place is really good. Okay, we're at the beach. Loaded up. Got all the food in there. Turn it around. So this is not Carolina Beach. Kier Beach. It's already a lot of people out with their noisy tents.
Nice and hot.
Alright, we're all set up now. He's putting on suntan. I mean suntan. He doesn't want to get tan. I do.
Sun's out, bumps out.
What we got at the Harris Teeter. I got the grilled cheese sub, and you got club sub. Did they put roast beef in it, like you said?
I don't know. We'll see.
Okay. Feeling tired? Been out here since 12 and it's 4:18. Feels good out here. Relaxing. We'll probably leave soon.
What?
Probably leave soon.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Got a while.
2-hour drive.
Heading out.
It's a long day, but it was fun. Relaxing.
It was a good day.
We're tired now, though.
Now we gotta fight through traffic and heading back home.
2-hour drive. It's 5 o'clock right now.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be home at 7.
left home, so gotta go back. If not, we'd stay longer. Maybe. Alright. That's it. Next time.